Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the paradise stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, the extended single crochet stitch, the half double crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 half double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 half double crochet into the third chain and then 1 half double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of our row, make 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make 1 extended single crochet. Into the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make 1 extended single crochet. You're now going to alternate making 1 half double crochet and 1 extended single crochet into each stitch for the rest of your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to be making 1 single crochet stitch into each stitch across, but we're going to be using the back loops only. So you're going to turn your work where you're looking at the top of your stitches, and you're going to be using this loop farthest away from you, this one right here, to make 1 single crochet into each stitch, only using that back loop. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the paradise stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.